Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best heavy-duty commercial blenders. Whether you're running a smoothie bar, a restaurant, or just want professional-grade blending power at home, these blenders deliver the speed, durability, and performance you need. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Balashov Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender. The Balashov Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender is a standout appliance designed for both professional kitchens and commercial smoothie operations. Engineered by a renowned German brand, this blender combines power, precision, and durability to deliver exceptional results in record time. With its high-powered motor, it can create delicious smoothies and crush ice in just 10 seconds, ensuring a quick and efficient workflow for busy environments. One of the key features of this blender is its multi-power 1 commercial customization, allowing operators to adjust performance according to specific recipes or desired textures. Its 15 RPM motor produces consistent and varied results, making it ideal for crafting soft, chilled smoothies while maintaining fresh flavors. The blender's design focuses on creating perfect smoothie patterns, offering versatility in beverage preparation. The cast commercial-quality stainless steel 8-blade knife is crafted from food-grade steel, combining toughness with wear resistance. This ensures rapid and effective ice crushing while maintaining reliability over long-term use. The blade system works seamlessly with the blender's innovative 4-dimensional turbulence and 3-dimensional layering technology. This feature generates a concentrated circulation of ingredients, creating fine, evenly blended results every time. Balashov's dedication to quality is evident in every aspect of this commercial blender, from its robust construction to its precision engineering. Its focus on smoothie preparation, combined with powerful performance and advanced blending technology, makes it a must-have for any establishment aiming to deliver consistent, high-quality beverages. The Balashov Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender is not just a tool, but a reliable partner in creating fresh, delicious, and visually appealing smoothies efficiently. This blender redefines the standard for commercial smoothie makers, offering speed, durability, and professional-grade blending technology in a single, sophisticated appliance. Next up, at number 4, we have the BioloMix T5200 Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender. The BioloMix T5200 Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender is engineered for professional kitchens and high-demand food preparation. At the heart of this blender is a high-speed 2200-watt motor designed to deliver both power and efficiency, making it capable of handling tough ingredients with ease. Its automatic timer and variable speed controls allow precise customization for a wide range of recipes, while the pulse feature provides an instant boost to maximum speed, perfect for refreshing ingredients that get stuck during blending. Safety and durability are core aspects of the BioloMix T5200. The blender features a safety lock switch, which immediately cuts off motor power if the jar tilts during operation, ensuring user protection. Additional safeguards include overheating and overload protection, aided by a high-powered cooling fan that rapidly lowers the motor's temperature to maintain smooth, continuous operation. The inclusion of an overload reset switch ensures the blender can safely resume work after heavy use. Practical design touches enhance the user experience. The removable cap on the jar allows ingredients to be added mid-blend without spilling, keeping the workspace clean and convenient. Its intuitive control panel simplifies operation, making it easy to adjust speeds or set timers according to specific blending needs. Built for commercial environments, the BioloMix T5200 combines robust construction, safety features, and versatile functionality, making it a reliable choice for chefs, smoothie bars, and professional kitchens that demand consistent performance in every blend. Taking the third spot is the Amzchef Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender. The Amzchef Heavy-Duty Commercial Blender is a professional-grade kitchen appliance designed to handle a wide variety of blending tasks with ease. Powered by an impressive 1800-watt motor spinning at 26,000 RPM, it features 6 hardened stainless steel blades that effortlessly crush both soft and tough ingredients. This powerful combination ensures that nutrients and vitamins are efficiently extracted, creating smooth, velvety textures for smoothies, soups, ice cream, and frozen drinks. With 3 speed settings and 4 pre-programmed functions, the Amzchef blender offers versatile control at the touch of a button. Whether you're preparing a refreshing smoothie, a creamy soup, or frozen treats, the blender delivers consistent results. The pulse function adds even more precision, making it easy to achieve the exact texture you want for every recipe. The blender comes with a large 63-ounce Triton jar, ideal for preparing large batches suitable for families or commercial use. For personal use on the go, it also includes a 20-ounce single-serve cup with a convenient spout lid, allowing you to blend and enjoy your creations anywhere. Its design combines convenience with functionality, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Safety and cleanliness are also priorities. The blender is BPA-free, and cleaning is quick and effortless. By adding a bit of dish soap and warm water, you can use the pulse function to clean the jar in just 30 to 60 seconds, leaving it ready for the next use. In terms of performance, capacity, and ease of use, the Amzchef heavy-duty commercial blender stands out as a reliable and efficient tool for both home cooks and professional kitchens, delivering smooth results and convenient blending in one robust package. Coming in at number 2 is the Biolomix A8800 heavy-duty commercial blender. The Biolomix A8800 heavy-duty commercial blender is a powerhouse designed for both home kitchens and professional environments. At the heart of this blender lies a peak 2200-watt commercial-grade motor paired with 6 hardened stainless steel blades capable of effortlessly crushing ice cubes and pulverizing frozen fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nuts into smooth textures. This heavy-duty performance ensures that even large ice cubes can be transformed into fine slush, allowing users to enjoy a variety of whole food recipes with ease. Equipped with a variable speed control knob, the Biolomix A800 offers 6 speed settings, giving users precise control over blending textures. The blender also features a timer function with 30, 60, 90, and 120-second options, enabling automatic shutoff for hands-free operation. This thoughtful design lets users step away during blending without worrying about overprocessing or noise disruption. The 2-liter BPA-free container is both safe and durable, designed to handle heavy-duty use while remaining lightweight for convenient handling. Its conical shape guides ingredients toward the blades efficiently, resulting in a smoother, more consistent blend. Cleaning is straightforward, thanks to the self-cleaning function, which allows the blender to wash itself in 30 to 60 seconds with just a drop of dish soap and warm water, eliminating the need to disassemble the blades. Additionally, the Biolomix A880 features a non-slip base and noise-reducing rubber cushions, enhancing stability and reducing operational noise compared to other blenders on the market. With its combination of commercial-grade power, versatile speed control, large capacity, and user-friendly design, the Biolomix A800 heavy-duty commercial blender stands out as a reliable and efficient tool for anyone seeking high-performance blending. And finally, our top pick, the Tycuga heavy-duty commercial blender. The Tycuga heavy-duty commercial blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to meet the demands of both commercial and home use. Operating on 110/220-volt power, this blender features a robust 2200-watt motor, providing the strength needed to tackle a wide variety of ingredients with ease. From crushing ice and frozen fruits to blending vegetables and nuts, it transforms ingredients into smooth, consistent textures effortlessly. This blender is engineered for efficiency and durability, making it suitable for busy environments such as restaurants, cafes, juice bars, and large households. Its commercial-grade construction ensures longevity, while its high-powered motor handles tough tasks that ordinary blenders may struggle with. Whether preparing smoothies, juices, purees, sauces, or grinding grains, the Tycuga blender delivers reliable performance and consistent results every time. Beyond its raw power, the Tycuga blender is designed with versatility in mind. Its multifunctional capabilities allow users to create a wide range of recipes, from frozen desserts and nut butters to finely processed grains for baking or cooking. The precision and speed of its motor ensure ingredients are blended evenly, retaining flavors and nutrients for a rich and fresh taste. Compact yet heavy-duty, this blender is easy to integrate into any kitchen setup. Its user-friendly design ensures straightforward operation, allowing anyone to prepare complex recipes without hassle. For those looking to combine strength, reliability, and multifunctionality in a single appliance, the Tycuga heavy-duty commercial blender stands out as a top choice, capable of handling everything from everyday blending to demanding commercial tasks. With its impressive motor capacity and comprehensive blending capabilities, the Tycuga heavy-duty commercial blender is more than just a kitchen tool. It is a professional-grade companion that brings efficiency, speed, and versatility to any culinary space.